Hey, what's up, everybody? Y'all know who it is. We JJ, Al, whatever y'all want to call me about. So we up in this little Cavalier that I picked up on backlots. What did I pay for it? Was it 300 or 400? Y'all will see. I think I paid like 400 for it. It's a 2000. Yeah, I can tell by the title. It's a 2003. Does have a check engine light on. The dash is, yeah, as you can see, like the dash and stuff is all like cracked up and stuff like that, and does have a check engine light on. Bluetooth radio. The heat and the AC work. Interior is not like that. While I'm sitting here running, I can do a quick little walk around. Oh, it's running. It's a little 5-speed manual. You know. Little 5-speed. You know, we're not gonna edit that out. Solid little 5-speed. 5-speed 4-banger. You know. Very, very dirty underneath here. Definitely need a good old engine wash. Definitely. Definitely a good old engine wash. It was leaking oil from like the valve cover, but changed that and then changed the oil. Let me make sure my door is locked. But as y'all can see, sounding good. Definitely needs to be cleaned up. You know, very, very dirty. But we're gonna go clean it up as best as we can. And then we're gonna go out there and sell it. We're gonna sell it, you know, $1,500-$1,600. Make a quick little $1,000. You know, make $1,000 the legal way. The legal way, you know, people. It's not many legal ways unless. Besides selling, well, I mean, you can sell stuff illegally too, but sales is one of the things that you can make $1,000 real quick off. But like I said, but we're gonna go up here and vacuum it out. I got my rag and stuff. We're gonna wipe it down, and you know, I'm gonna get the good old vacuum and everything. I got my seat covers, so we got the seat covers over here. We're gonna cover up this, you know, cover up that little stuff. We're gonna vacuum it out. Nothing you can do about the dash, you know, just over time, stuff like that. It just cracks up. Really just do about stuff like that. But for the price, you can't beat it. And for the price that I'm beat it. You know, look at that. How good that car looks. Gonna make sure it wasn't again. Nope, not doing anything. Say good old tires on there. Like I said, gotta check engine light on, but that's like the evap, you know, like, you know, evap. So like a vacuum leak, but I feel like I fixed it. But I don't see it. It's like surging like it was. Look how beautiful that sky looking right now. Woo. Woo. But yeah, we're gonna go to the car wash, clean it up, do one. Like I said, I already drove. I don't really know. I know people like to see it, and kind of what. Like I said, it's really dirty on this side. And that side really like dirty. Well, we got the LA Awesome. Like LA Awesome. It's like at Dollar General. It's like $3 for like a gallon, and that stuff like works really good on everything. So, but we're gonna take this one to the car wash. At first, you know, happy Monday. Want to thank everybody that subscribed. I did make sure my door was locked right. I'm kind of low, just making sure. So, about to go get this cleaned up, get some pictures taken. Like I said, then I seen a guy that I follow on Instagram named Kev on Stage. He's like out there in California. I don't know if y'all heard of him or not. Some of y'all might have heard. But he has like a online like social media strategy course that costs like $150. So that's probably I'm gonna buy that, and then just learn how to grow my social media. I need to actually start being more in tune and actually doing the social media stuff and building up my follower. Like I got like 4,000, like close to 4,000 followers on Facebook, and then I got over 4,000 subs on YouTube, and I am not even like going hard as I can, So I'm gonna go watch take his course, drop the 150, and it's always good, to take as many courses as you can and learn from as many people, especially like people that selling the course and showing you their strategies. And it's a good little breakdown for $150. It is. I'll blow $150 on. I'll blow $150 in a couple days on food, or in a week's worth of food, because everything is, especially when you got kids and stuff, and the girlfriend, family of four, we go out to eat once or twice, $150, quick, once, twice, 3 times, 2-3 times if y'all going out to eat, $150. So why not use the $150? Learn some new strategies, learn how to grow my audience, because then maybe I'll go from 4K, then I hit 10K, 20K, 50K, 100K, and learn the strategies. And I follow a lot of little motivational shorts as possible. But yeah, we about to get this to the I'm crazy. Like, I can't just shift there without being on the clutch. But I appreciate y'all, because I'm not about to drive while trying to drive a manual. And because I'm good at driving a manual, but I'm not 100%. But I appreciate y'all for always tuning in and making sure y'all like the video. I plan on keep growing and growing and growing. If I can reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year, it'll be great. I probably could have done it if I didn't do like the channel switching, like going from like gaming to card. Maybe if I just kept like just being 100% on, like just dropping videos, 100% car related videos, I probably would have been a way higher than what I am now, because I know. And then I switched my logo up as well, so I know a lot of people like, is that like, are you still JJ's Cars and Advice and stuff like that? Which yes, it's still, but it's when you do a kind of like a rebrand and flipping stuff like that, it hurts for a minute, but we're gonna work it all. I'm gonna learn these strategies and we're gonna work it back up. But I appreciate y'all tuning in, and y'all see that Dollar in the Dream Model Sales about to get another sign made that goes, about to get one that goes right there, or one right there, or one like with the name on both sides and like lights around it, so people won't be missing me when they coming through. I appreciate y'all for stopping in. If you haven't already, like this video, subscribe to the channel. I'm out. Peace.